Friend, this is my online express guide channel. In this my video, and welcome to my channel. So computer network technology related, I've already created a lot of video previously. Okay, so today I am new type of topic discuss in computer network related new topology. Okay, means new layer technology topology related. I have already created video watch previously. This is all created and available in my uh, channel playlist. Okay, so watch network playlist and completely everything topology related understand about technology. So this is a very important for understand about very helpful for understand about network of computer network technology. Okay, this is a very important for you. Either you cannot understand new type of other type of videos. Okay, so I'm already what is a network backbone. I'm already created video available in playlist inside video types of network, different type of networking devices. I'm already created these about topic, but I will show you one by one detailed devices. What is the difference between network and internet? You can see here. This is a very important for understand about OSI layer, OSI layer infrastructure network gateway. Okay, what is the OSI model? Understand about OSI technology. All of computer connect and communication, transfer file, sending email, receiving file, receive email, sending everything you are working because your OSI 7 layer is a very important for understand about. Okay, what is the data processing in the inside before you're sending your data layer architecture? I'm already told you and already I'm give information about this application layer. Watch previous video. Okay, either you cannot understand how application layer work in your computer. Presentation layer, what is the work of presentation layer? Okay, network and internet both side. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about network system here. So transferring data is presentation. You can see different type of data. You can see send and receiving. So basic encoding rules, presentation layer, session layer. What is the session layer? Okay, so this is a very important for understand about session layer and how this session working in your computer. And previous video I'm already told you created available this video in my computer network playlist. What is a net transport layer and the transport layer, how this working, how this segment through transport layer says session wise, means segment wise, one by one part and sending and receiving connection files through different segment through. So today I'm new type of teaching a network layer. Okay, network system, network communication system. So any type of your computer, any type of your devices connected without networking is layer. No, you cannot send in data, not receiving data. So what is a network layer and how these understand about network communication systems? Okay, so let's start and understand about the network layer related everything information. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, paper, office and paper, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus You can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlists available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here, this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel, online and this by scratch channel. This channel very helpful for you, and advanced you can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So before I start the network layer, I'm give something very important information. So to computer or any two devices, computer to switch, router to switch, any type of device, your mobile connect to wireless to wireless system, you are using any type of internet through method like wire technology, wireless technology, Wi-Fi technology. So how this possible, your data sending, receiving, and how this for all of the world communication. So this is a reason only network protocol. Okay. So network protocol, it's called internet IP protocols, some communication protocol, some important gateways and IP address. So network, all of protocol inside, it's called network layer. So send any type of file without network communication, without connection successfully established. You cannot sending file, not receiving file, okay, one to another side on other devices. Okay, why? Because connection is important for to communicate devices. And how this possible? So only one of OSI layer model architecture. Okay, so without OSI model protocol files and service, you cannot communicate to one to another side computer. So what is the OSI system? OSI is one type of computer programming language code, computer communication code, and these are running in your background side in your computer, in your devices, all of devices, just like your mobile, computer, laptop, switch, your router, your satellite, everything, every side. Okay, you are using a Windows 7. Okay, just like your example, Windows 7. So Windows 7 inside the background side already some file by company through provide network communication protocols. Okay, some computer company and operating system company, program engineer company, just like create a own customized protocol, and famous protocol is Microsoft MS Chat version 1, MS Chat version 2, this type of protocol. So protocol is one type of communication one to another side. Okay, and without a network layer system, you cannot sending receiving file. Okay, so this is a very important to understand about the network layer system. Okay, so computer not connection, not without protocol with network layer through not communicate. Okay, because this is a network layer responsible for to communicate with protocols through. Okay, so understand about network goes through what is the network layer. The network layer is provide the functional and procedural means transferring variable length data sequence. This device develops Cisco company. Okay, so this is a method technology developed by Cisco company, and these provide functional and procedures transferring data variable length data sequence. Okay, how data sequence to sending, how data transferring. That means that this variable length data sequence transferring for your data. Network and internet, lot of device work for wireless, okay, and wire technology, okay. So network and internet both sides you using your company local network and your some internet system using. So lot of device just like your switch, your router, your firewall, your satellite equipment, your Wi-Fi technology, your computer, your server, your some data centers, some communication, different type of um, communication security layers, some devices. So lot of device working. So how this possible? Because the data transfer using IP internet protocol. Okay, so internet protocol this provide IP address work. Okay, without IP address work you cannot start internet protocol. So these transfer data in TCP IP router protocols. Okay, call packets. Okay, so your data not direct data means your simple computer field side data call, but real actually network side network field call packet. Okay, so packet means your data one side of one type of packet type size, uh, router protocol, TCP IP protocol data transferring from one node to another connection. Okay, so one connected different network. Okay, so means different network means your local area to net internet area network. Okay, so your company network it's called intranet, and you are connect internet mean outside, so it's called internet. Okay, so TCP IP internet protocol. Okay, this is a very important for internet IP address you are allowing apply, it's only working through network layer through. Okay, so I'm give example one type of, you can see this is a one type of a router between two type different numbers. Okay, what is the IP address I will show you, but understand about it. This is internet protocol method 10.68.125.101, this class A IP address and this class C IP address. What is the IP address? IP address is one type of your address your packets coming and sending system method through. Okay, and router is one type of different network communication devices. This protocol some ERGP protocol, some RIP protocol, some BGP protocol, different type of communication. These are three protocol very popular. Okay, you can see this type of router. Okay, so router lot of in 75% all of world using router technology, router devices, because router devices using two different data communicate to one another side. Okay, why? Because this type of devices create a Cisco company basically two different network to providing services transferring using the data. So means the data sequence through variable length through this sending and receiving. So you can see router protocols called packet. Okay, so in this field it's called packet system. So from one or another different content of receive IP protocol you can see here. So I'm giving example lot of internet through lot of people you're working in your computer, you can see here, and one to another type of sending receiving file sharing. Okay, between one to another side. So how this possible? So inside using a router technology. Okay, company router technology. So router is one type of a network layers technology, network layer devices. Okay, these particular not not provide only this only working IP address through. Okay, and this only work in important part of your communication to one to another side network side these devices. Okay, so all of your data going through these router technology devices. Okay, so one router connect to another router, another router, different type of router. So network company provide just like internet system, internet provide company, using a lot of router technology like USA government side, you can see here. So how this possible? Because IS internet ISA system or INA. Okay, so INA is a first level type of using communication technology, communication method of a system, and this is a very important for understand about the network layer. Okay, so a network is a medium to which many nodes can be connected. Many nodes mean lot of a way to connect network system on which every node has an address and which permit nodes connected to it transfer message to another nodes connected. Okay, so this one type of one to another side sending your emails, your data, your files, everything one to another connection side to it's by merely providing the content message and address destination node and letting the network find a way to deliver to message to the destination node, possible routing it through intermediate nodes. Okay, so this is a very important for find way your communication data very fast way deliver your data. It's called packet. Okay, packet data sending destination node outside, so it's called router field side data called new name available in the network field called packet. Okay, so packet is a one type of network product network layer creator, uh, one type of packet system. So these you can see a lot of available in network field Cisco router, but I'm using showing this type of a system router technology. So router is a working binary code, but binary have different type of a code using system PDO1, PDO2, PDO3, and PDO4. So PDO3 is one type of application layer, presentation layer, and session layer. This is made of data, and the router using different one network to go into another network. You're going to your data packet wise. Okay, packet wise going to. So how this possible? Because different network means your 10.0, 10.68, 25.0.01. Okay, and second you 192.168.125 this type of different network means your TCP header, transmission control protocol header. This is a four number of transmission transport protocol header apply header inside. You can see the network. So how these so next is a new network layer setup IP header. So IP header is one type of identify your data where coming from this data. Okay, so router always always check IP header. IP header is one type of important destination IP header and your IP header. So this is a one type of a very important for understand about you how you open your Google page, Facebook page in your computer, because your IP header always check your network neighbor, your router neighbor to neighbor to neighbor to router one to another side. Any world, so any world you are using a network, any world. So how between Google company server and your computer, your devices, mobile devices between using this is IP header technology provide only. This is very important to router technology network layer system. So connected to it to transfer message to other node, connected to it by merely providing the content of message and the address. Okay, of the destination node. Destination node means your data going sending their side. Okay, means we are I'm giving example. You are right www.google.com. So you know you are search. So search means in going your data to your mobile through mobile tower through going to ISP internet service provider, and internet service provider own a lot of router through going to your data one by one by passing through your message means you're connected, you want content, okay, content of message, and going to server, Google server network side, and Google server reply again to, and Google server again you're coming from your data uh, to your mobile, your computer, any side. So that means your destination, your Google server, you want to open Google web page, but Google web page available on your server. So your data must be going your through in 1 millisecond, very fast to this network. This is on your Google web page open fast to fast network. But you are using 2G network, 3G network, so maybe take time, okay. Why? Because your reply very slowly, this reason. But you are using 4G network, 4G internet, 5G internet. How this possible? You are right in your computer www.google.com, and 1 second, within 1 second open your web page, because your data is going to very fast to travel your internet service provider through your Google server, and Google server reply through your internet service provider to your system, okay. So this is one type of how this can identify, because this person, and same as it is your neighbor, you are search facebook.com. So how this open Facebook, you are open Google. Why? Because your IP header com always compulsorily bind your with your data, okay. So this process in many seconds, okay. This is a very fastly delivered to data packet, lot of protocols, okay. And routing network. So routing networks means always to base fast network through going your data sending to server, and take reply from your Google server through any type of your server, any type of services going to, okay. So you can see here. So I'm giving example. You can see here, this is the while error networking, and you can see while error network, okay. Other city office number, other city on other area side office number 4, but between area side internet using just like uh, these area side UK internet service provider company, and this side German type of using internet providing company, but both company using router technology, router protocols, using a switches technology. So this means one type of your internet connection is online and fast network. So I'm writing in one office number 1, and I'm open my server technology, means XYZ, any type of company my name, and this is a Google company. So I'm open www.google.com. So on internet through going this type system, my country internet service provider passing this data to UK side, US side, okay, USA side, and again to you can see reply from uh, Google server through, and again to passing this reply to in my network, my country network communication, uh, and again to passing country through my office room, okay, and open web page. So this process in very fast in millisecond. How this possible? Because your router technology very lot of protocol fast work, okay. So you can see this is a different type of protocol, different numbers, okay. You can see here, you can see this is called internet protocol through. So internet protocol is one type of IP address, one type of identify your device's number, okay. It's called one type of address. Just like I give example, your society area side, your society, your some building area side, some hotel side. So any type of some address very fixed in your area code, area system, and postman, any type of your delivery boy, your any type of items, any type of system, So how you deliver? Because first check your address through, and without address not possible to your delivery boy deliver your any type of item. Same as it is internet protocol IP address, the same work here. Okay, so you are open www.google.com, so going to from here and you can see send here, and again reply to google dot reply, give result again to reply to, and you can see open web page. Okay, so this is a one type of IP address system. So if the message is too large to be transmit from one node to another on data link layer between those node. Okay, so message large transmit data one to another data link layer side between the node host node. Okay, the network may implement message deliver. Okay, so network maybe implement message deliver by splitting message into the several fragment at the one node. Okay, so splitting message into several fragments of one node and sending fragment independently, reassembling fragment to another node. Okay, so sending fragment independently and reassembling fragment to another node with one type of creative framing system. Okay, so you can see of the destination network address in the routing table. One, the router choose the exit interface. Okay, and packet is sent to the interface be frame and set out a local network. Okay, if router cannot find carry your packet destination network, so routing table router drops the packets. Okay, so sometimes some area side not your completely network communication, some your data any type of outside you Google have not any type of record, some website. So router packet drops, and two type of packet using it network layer. Okay, first data send router, first check router IP address. Okay, so first data send router to router. Okay, so send to router data, check router IP address, and this communication one to another. It may uh, but not need to report delivery errors. Okay, so some not report delivery error. Error means not replying showing this and this. So data packet, first is data packet. There are using transport user data through the internet work. Okay, so some transport data, transport user data, and protocol use support data traffic called router protocol. Okay, so routed protocol means support data traffic. Data traffic means your data base to base pathway and fast to fast data travel to response your system. So that means router communication protocols, fast traffic through your data sending. Two example router to protocols. Okay, first you can see here some wireless technology. So always company using router system technology, and without router system you cannot communicate to one to another side your data. So this is a very important to understand. First to data sending to another side router IP address. Okay, so router update packet. Okay, these are user update neighbor router. Okay, so neighbor routing means a router near some other type of router. So other network to another side data sending. Okay, why? Because network connected all router within an internet work. Okay, protocol that send router update packet and call routing protocol. Okay, some common ones are router information protocols. Okay, RIP, router information protocol, RIP version 2, enhanced interior gateway routing protocol, EIGP. Okay, so enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. So and third is open source part, this OSP. So these three type of protocol very famous in Cisco. I will show you when I teach you routing Cisco technology. So route update packet are used to help build and maintain routing tables on each router. Okay, so next is the network address. These are protocol specified network address. A router must maintain routing table for individual routing protocol because each routing protocol keeps a track of your network with different addressing scheme. Okay, different addressing scheme means IP version 4 and IP version 6, for example. Okay, so this is a very important point. Think of it is a street sign in each of the different languages spoken by resident who live in a particular street. Okay, so if there are where American, Spanish, French for street names, it's called in any different language spoken. So that means a street sign, one type of is. So interface, what is the interface? This is exit interface packet will take when destinate for specific network. Okay, so you are on at www.google.com. That means your interface going to data Google through, that means interface. What is a metric? So this value equal the distance to the remote network. Okay, different routing protocol use different way computing this distance. Okay, introduction. IP routing. What is the IP? Internet protocol routing? For now, just know that some routing protocol named RIP, routing internet protocol, use something called hop count. Okay, hop count means you're counting your how many type of router one by one, deliver to one to another side router through, because router have some communication system, some important of data communicate finding your data to reply system, the number router packet passing through and route remote network. Okay, so where area or the bandwidth delay of the line. Okay, so depend on sometime your network slow but other side network fast, some delay line, some sometime now as a tick count. Okay, that means some take more time, okay, for replying you, and this range you can see in your system like maybe reply to take more time. Okay, some website not directly fast open because their side bandwidth very, other side speed slow, and this reason reply take more time. Router breakup broadcast domain, which means the default broadcasts are not forwarded through the router. Okay, why this good thing? Router also break up collision domain. Okay, but this cannot accomplish layer 2 detailing switch as well. Okay, so message delivery at the network layer is not necessarily guaranteed to be reliable. Okay, just like you can see here, this type of system, this is a Google networking system and this is a your system between the internet system and millions of router. Okay, millions of router here. So your company router going to another router company router system, one by transfer data, and Google company router, and Google server reply again your data and again to coming from your router system through open your web page. Okay, same as it is. So message delivery network layer is not necessarily guaranteed to be reliable. A network layer protocol may provide reliable message deliver, but it need not to not do so. Okay, so number of layer manageable protocols are function defined in the management annex. Okay, so you can see here. So ISO 74998/4, this standard. Okay, this standard of router protocols and some services protocol standard, so belong to the network layer. Okay, belong to the related network layer. This including routing protocol, multi-class group management. Okay, so one type of group management, one type of you can create your group, your router, and network layer information and error. Sometimes your some protocols give message your data not found, some error code, just like give example your open sometime your website, so error code 4045450. Why? What is it? It's one type of information give, because your data not replying to your destination system, okay. And network layer addressing assigning, okay. So assignment means a network addresses, okay. So just like example, your company network give IP address, class B IP address, okay, class B IP address 142.128.41 something, okay. But Google company using class A company. So how this possible to network to another company router to? So using only router technology through, okay. It is a function of the payload, okay. Payload is one type of a programming language structure, okay. Program one type of very high level type of language system, and using some makes this below the network layer, okay. Means your background side work in this file, it's very payload is a different type of C, C++, Java, Python type of languages in networking, same as it is a software engineer developing this type of a function system. So not the protocol that carries them, okay. So understand about this network layer. So next I will show you data link layer. What is a data link layer? So this is a very important for understand about the data link layer, how this data is after showing your going to another side, so ready to your prepare. So network layer is prepared to IP address, okay, and we this showing for IP technology through, and this is a very important for understand about IP system technology. Internet protocol is very important for your computer, your devices, because that is a identity for your data station number, okay. This is your electrical station address, okay. So it's called IP address, and router IP address based work on devices. In this lesson clear net layer 3 device, okay, layer 3 device. So this is a data link layer. I will show you data related, so click on subscribe and click on bell icon for notification when I upload new videos. So thank you, and any type of questions, so comment me, I will try 24 hours give a reply, okay. So thank you, have a nice day. Next time I continue on this topic, data link. What is a data link layer, okay.